Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today we're making something that's not just simple, it's easy breezy. We're doing some chicken salad wraps. Look at these. Easy, simple, no bake, nothing. So watch this. The recipe's down below. You're going to love it. Watch this. All right, so when we're talking simple, we're not cooking at all, and we're going to make a really, really easy meal. So if you've made a rotisserie chicken, and I've made several different recipes where you have leftover rotisserie chicken to use it in different things. This is the perfect recipe for it. I didn't actually have, so I went and purchased a rotisserie chicken that was already shredded. Isn't that wonderful? So we're just gonna take whatever you have, about 1.5 to 2 cups. Then we're going to take about, again, it's about 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm gonna pop that in and definitely make sure that it's softened, or else you'll be driving yourself crazy. You're gonna put in some green onions, which I just love. I have a little technical difficulty here. Don't mind my hands, it's only my hands. Okay. So we're just gonna take a couple teaspoons of that, maybe a little bit more. Take a little bit of taco seasoning. You're gonna give a couple little shakes. Not too much, just to give it a little something, something. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it up. And again, you can add different things into it, cleaning out the fridge. I mean, I love cleaning out the refrigerator and making a meal. So let's say if you had other cut up onions, or maybe you can even put in tomato, you can put in cilantro, you can put in some parsley. In any case, you're going to want to really mix this up. It's looking really good. And you know what I think we're going to do? I think we're going to add in a little bit of mayonnaise. I want it to be moist enough. Nothing is worse than having, a chicken salad that's dry. Ugh. So, oh yeah, this is much better. I'm gonna add in a little bit of, not too much, depends how hot you like it, but I love sriracha. That it's got a little bit of a kick, but then not too much. Okay, then we're gonna take another plate out. So we're going to evenly distribute. Okay. Lovely. I'm gonna do another one. Just delicious. Try to do it as tight as possible. You really want to get a good grip. All right, so we've got our 3. Look at these, how fabulous. We're going to cover them with plastic wrap, pop them in the fridge, and then we're going to be cutting in about 15 minutes. We'll see you then. All right, so we just took these little lovelies out of the fridge. So they're very compact and together. So all we're going to do is we're just going to cut them. You have to get a nice sharp knife. And you've made your own pinwheels. You can add, some chips. I have a couple of tomatoes. So we're here in the office just having a lovely little snack. So let's just put these like this. And if they fall apart a little bit, it's okay. And voila, look at this. Another fantastic recipe from the Milano Cooking Show, from us to you. So you try it, love it, live it. Let me know. I want to see more of your recipes. So DM me Come on, you do it. All right, guys, so enjoy, and we will see you in the showroom, or we'll see you on the next episode for sure of the Milano Cooking Show.